So we have nursing pillow too. As if for us baby welcome set, baby care kits. This is very important. Let me know these things that I'm mentioning, their prices. How much is it in your area? Is it too expensive on my end or is cheaper? Hi guys, you're welcome to the channel. So this is a quick video. As you can see, we are heavy and I want to show you guys some of the things I bought from Nigerian market for my baby. So you're expecting a baby on this channel, and I've done a lot of research about things to get, and I didn't really get much information, so I decided to do mine. So when you find yourself in this situation, it will be very easy for you to get informations. All right, so if you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Rachel. Yes, it's the same Rachel that you watched 2 years ago, 3 years ago. The difference now is that my neck is dark and I'm pregnant. All right, so let's just dive into the video. So the first thing I have on my list is this Vaseline. So I was asked to buy Vaseline. So this, you already know this one now. This is compulsory. We don't already start. So this is methylated spirit, abi. You know what they use this for cleaning the baby. I promise to give you guys the prices. 1,500 comb. No, I bought this thing since, so I can't really remember their prices. So this set of comb is 1,300. Mind you, I bought everything in my one market, Port Harcourt. So it all depends on the price in your area, but these things are very easy to find. Okay, so this is baby pantyhose, 6 to 12 months. So they are 4 in 1, 6,500 naira for this one. This Purity have small one, so they were on promo when I got it, and it's 3,000 naira. So we are advised to use Purity and not Ditto or Septile, all those other brands. This is baby friendly, so we are advised to get this. Okay, so we have this mouth towel. From what I saw in the market, they have different types, and this is something that you can always replace. It's not something that you use forever. So I bought this baby mouth towel, 1,000 naira for this pack of 8. Yes. So powder, when I give it, one that will share for everybody. So I got this. We'll still buy more because one will not be enough. Only my sister-in-laws, they will finish this one, so we'll still buy more. I can't find the price of this one, but I know it's not expensive. It won't be more than 1,000. 1,000 naira is Nigerian money we are talking about. This is baby wipes. From the review I saw online, I saw that soft care is better. They say it's baby friendly compared to other wipes, so that's why I got this. Right, I bought one first. We'll still buy more because this is something that will be needed in this journey. 1,600 naira. Good though. So also let me know these things that I'm mentioning, their prices. How much is it in your area? Is it too expensive on my end or is cheaper? Also let me know, so that other mothers that are looking for where to get these things will have idea and they won't be confused when looking for it. That's the essence of this video, so that it will also help you in your own. When I was searching for how to get I asked questions. I also did research online and I got all of this. So we have this baby care kit. This is very important because I heard and I've seen too that babies do come out with long nails and the rest, so you need to cut their nails. So it consists of thermometer to know their temperature, nail cutter, file, hairbrush, hair comb. So this is 4,500 naira. They have different types, so try and get it if you want. This is a set of feeding bottles and other accessories. It consists of 3 feeding bottles, pacifier, brush for washing the feeding bottle, and sponge. I have to get this because I got what's the name, breast pump, so I'll also need this feeding bottles to store the breast milk. This is 6,500 naira. Olive oil for cleaning the baby. This is required by the hospital for cleaning the baby. You can get any kind of olive oil. I bought this at 1,500 naira. Sponge, baby sponge. This should be 1,000 naira. 800 naira. Yes. Disposable pint for the mother, for me. So this is needed too. So I can't find this. When I'm editing the video, I'll put the price. Okay, so this is hypo. Is part of the hospital requirements. Hypo. So some people use jig while some accept hypo. So I got this hypo, this size. This is 1.1 liter. I got it at 2,700 naira. They are much. These things are much. So I'll just have to be fast a little. So this is baby welcome set. They call it welcoming set or welcome set. It consists of 3 pairs of clothes, 2 pairs of shorts, flannel, cap, socks, and hand glove. I got it 12,000 naira. So this is what our baby will use when we are going back home from the hospital. I also got this for carrying the baby. It's flannel, so I was advised to buy this type because we are giving birth in Harmattan season. So this is thicker than, I'll show you another flannel that I got. It consists of hand glove, socks, a cap, and they give us 2 pampers. Yeah. So yours might not have pampers. Probably I'm just lucky to have pampers. Okay, so this is another set of baby coverall. Yes, 3-in-1 coverall. It also have mouth towel. That's the reason why I got the other mouth towel. This is 3 plus the other one that is 8, so we have enough. It also have 4 pairs of socks, 3 coverall, baby coverall. They have 0 to 3 months, 0 to 6 months, and 0 to 12, 6 to 9 months. So the baby can wear it at any of those age interval. This is 10,000 naira. I got this at 10,000 naira. Then we have this baby suit. It's a 4-in-1 Chico baby suit. This is 10,000 naira as well. So it's short sleeve, as you can see, and I already have fancy hose, so the baby can wear it with this or a trouser, which we have already. So I didn't really buy much clothes because I was told that when you're buying baby things, you don't buy too much. You need to check the size of the baby you're giving birth to. So if you're giving birth to a big baby and you bought smaller clothes, you might end up wasting your money. So we just bought few clothes. This is also coverall of different sizes. Okay, so we have baby flannel 5-in-1 pack. So this comes in different colors. So there are 5 of them that we're using carrying the baby, and this is a pack of 8,000 naira. They have different sizes. There's a bigger one too. Coverall, same clothes, 10,000 naira. 3 pieces of coverall with different age, 3 to 6 months. Pampers, soft care pampers. So this pampers will serve us for some months. I mean, for some days, I don't know. For some weeks. But this is the biggest size. So the biggest size you have this time. 105 pieces baby diaper. So we use the brand Soft Care, but we can also use any other brand. So if you are gifting our baby, you can get us any other brand if you're not okay with Soft Care. Okay. We have this shower kit cream set. So it consists of plates, oil, Dettol, cream, baby soap, a lot of things, towel, cotton bulbs, powder, oil, everything is inside. So this is the Viva set and it's 19,000 naira. They have different brands, so this was the brand that we went for. We hope Viva deliver this time. All right guys, so these are many more we got. I'm already exhausted, right? I'll see you come and do unboxing of other things. This is just part one and the video is long already. Oh, don't forget this blue pack. It's very, very important for the mother. It's being required. Delivery mats. Delivery mats. The hospital will give us, but I just have to buy 2 extra in case it is needed. And most importantly, get a nursing bra. Get a nursing bra. So this bra is very easy. You just open up like this and you breastfeed your baby and put it back instead of stressing yourself doing other things. So we have nursing pillow too. This will help you not to have backache when you're breastfeeding baby. And after breastfeeding, the baby can use it when she's learning he or she is learning how to sit. Just use it to support the baby. Guys, these are all for now. I'm already exhausted. I will do a part 2 of the unboxing and also arranging of the bag. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment. If you have contribution, also drop in the comment. If you want to support our baby, we are also in the comment too. Reach out to us and let's share this journey together. Thank you so much for your time. See you in my next video. Bye.